In today's video, I'll teach you the way that you can verify your YouTube account. If you've successfully created your first YouTube account, in order to continue and start uploading, you'll need to first of all verify it. To get started, you'll need to open up a web browser because in order to verify your YouTube account, you cannot do it from the YouTube app. Either you'll need the YouTube Studios app, but for this video, we're just going to use the web browser or the web version of the Studios. On the search bar of your web browser, just search for studio.youtube.com. Once you search for this, you're going to land up on the Studios section or the Studios web page. Make sure that the right Google account is selected on the top right, as you can see. On the bottom left of the screen, you'll need to zoom in. Tap on the gear icon on the bottom left. Once you're inside the settings page, tap on channel. Once you tap on channel, scroll left, and then you can see the option called feature eligibility. Inside this section, you can see three options: the standard feature, the immediate feature, and the advanced feature. By default, the standard feature will be enabled. So the next step is to verify the immediate feature. Tap on the eligible option on the right side. Now, in order to verify the second step, you'll need to add in your phone number. So just tap on the verify phone number option. You'll be directed to a new web page where you'll need to select your country and then add in the phone number for verification. Once you type in your phone number, you get a 6-digit verification code which you'll need to enter in this section, and then just tap on submit. Once you hit that submit button, you can go back to the previous screen. And if you reload this web page, you can see the immediate feature now is also verified. Lastly, to verify the advanced feature, you can tap on the eligible option right here. Now there are a few ways that you can verify the advanced features as well. The easiest way is the video verification. You can just tap on access features and you can just scan a quick video of yourself, and then YouTube will immediately verify your account. Other than that, you can also add in your valid ID such as your passport or your driver's license. So those are the few steps that you need to take in order to verify your YouTube account. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos in the future.